Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how to use superscript and subscript in PowerPoint and MS Word. So what is superscript and subscript? Let us try to understand it by an example. Like here in this case you can see H2O, the 2 is little written here a little bit on the downside. This is subscript. And in 22 raised to the power 3, 3 is written on the upside. This is superscript. So let us try to learn how to write these formats in PowerPoint as well as in Word. So here I have opened a PowerPoint, and when I write something here, I want to write H2O and 22 raised to the power 3. You can see it has not taken the format which I was looking for. So what I need to do for superscript and subscript, first select the letter or the digit which you want to go for superscript or subscript. So select it, and then in this tab font you can go click here, and here you can get the two options, superscript and subscript. So I want it to be subscript, so I will click it. Then how much offset you want, it has been given here 25% negative. You can change it also, and automatically it has come downward. Similarly for superscript, select the digit and then click superscript. Now 30% it is going to go up from the normal position, so it has gone up. In some cases you may find that this particular tabs are not activated in your Excel. So how to activate those tabs? For that you need to go to file. In file, go to more. You can find a tab called options. Click options. In options you have to go to customize ribbon. Customize ribbon, go for all commands, and in all command you will get this subscript and superscript commands are there. You can see here it is a superscript command is there. You have to simply click it and edit in wherever you wish to add it. You have to select that tab. Let us say you want to add it under home, then select it and add. Similarly you can get the subscript tab also here, so add it. Once you add it, you will get those tabs available wherever you have added it. I have added it in font, so I am getting it. Home tab under font I have added, so I am getting this here. Similarly you can do the same thing in Word also. So in Word again you have to select it, but here I have not activated the superscript and subscript, so I will go to file, go to more, to options, custom ribbon, all commands, there is a superscript. I've added it. Now what does it says? Command need to be added to custom group. To create a group, pick a tab in the list and click new group. So I need to create a new group, so I will create it in home. In editing I will select here, then right click, and you can find this add new group. So I've added new group, and I am going to rename it also. So I will rename it sub and superscript, and now I can add these two. So subscript has been added, and then the superscript has been added. Press OK. Now it is available in your home tab. So select this, go to home tab. Home tab I have added this as a separate tab, so it's visible here. Now it is subscript, so press this one, and second is the superscript, so press this one. When you again press it, it will come back to the original position. Hope you like my video. Thanks.